What's your right hand? What's in your right hand, buddy? What's in your right hand? It's pretty easy to hide something in the truck and go blat blat with your gat. Kiko KTM. Here we go. Moving over. Switch lanes. Found the escape path. Did what he needed to do. Where's the escape path button? There we go. Found the escape path. Didn't want a lane filter between two of them, but did what needed to do. Let's go back a little bit. I know MotoStars. I know. So we're coming up to here. We passed one. Not a big deal. This person's going to come into our lane. So this is where we understand the 360 situational awareness that we need. But he's looking for the escape path. Part of that is positioning for safety and locating it, and then also locating that escape path. This is a red stage maneuver. We have to do something. We have to. He can't swerve left because the other vehicle he just passed, but maybe he could, right? But it's going to be a very far, sharp swerve to the left. We're going to find that itty bitty thing, which is going to be that shoulder. Only motorcycles can do this. Cars can't do this. So this is one thing we can utilize. Now apply the brakes to get yourself out of there. Honking the horn and just kind of hanging out is not good. Apply good progressive brake pressure so that the vehicle keeps going forward while you go backwards. Get yourself out of there just like that. We didn't even apply the brakes. We just rolled off the throttle. It's a dangerous spot. Dangerous spot. We're on the road.
Oh my. Wow. Oh my God. I got that on video. Yeah, oh my God.
Tell me we're on a bicycle.
Oh my God, wow.
It's like people have never seen an accident. So this is a good lesson right here. So when it comes to people braking last second, it's a chain reaction. So they broke last second, braking last second, braking last second, braking last second, and the person is trying to brake, but this is probably where they'll land, so they're going to hit this vehicle. So it's a bad chain reaction. So if we're ever in this position, let's say this. Okay, we have a truck there, applying the brakes and having to stop. If we're this car, or even the next car, okay, what you should be doing, let's go back just a little bit. Okay, so if we're this car right here, but we're on a motorcycle, if we can't stop safely because we're worried about somebody else behind us not, this is why we have that 360 situation awareness. We know that there's a car or truck behind us that is big and it's kind of on our ass and not paying attention. What we need to do is we're going to get up to here and we're going to go ahead and swerve. We're going to get into that shoulder area. We're going to get into the shoulder area and swerve and get out of there. Because last thing we want to do is get hit. Because what happened with this car right here, so barely stopped in time, the truck behind him is not going to stop in time. If this is us as a motorcycle, we can die. This car only has damage to that. But I think it's the next one, right? It's the next car? Nope. It has damage to that right there. But that is our back. That is our spine. Put yourself in a better position. If you had to, swerve. Because everything is just stop. People behind you can't stop. Got to get yourself out of there. Just swerve into the shoulder and pull into the parking lot. Wait until it's clear to go or find a better spot. Do not just stop because of that. So once again, if you're into a position where it's like, oh crap, I got to stop right there, swerve into the shoulder because this could be us and we get hit by a truck. Okay?
On video. Yeah, oh my God.
And the dude's wearing a bicycle helmet. What are you doing? All right, here we are, lane filtering. Oh, come on, man. Now imagine this person wants to hit us because of what that person did. Hey, I like this guy. I like this guy. He's basically saying the other guy was an idiot. Because he is. But what happened though? So we're just riding, right? We're just kind of riding. We have plenty of room, buddy. What are we doing? You just wanted to do that? Just wanted to do that. All right. You're like the kid that touches everything in a store, aren't you? Parents never made him buy anything he broke. Here we go, riding around, tattoo motorcycle fray. We got a merge issue. Watch out for that one too. We were too busy rev bombing the other guy. We didn't even see the white car. Now, why did that happen? Well, we saw it after the fact, right? The guy was broken down. So we see this. We got a big open lane over here. That is the pattern. Big open lane right here. Closed off lane right here. We see it. We're going to go ahead and get into this lane because that is what we want. What do you think the car drivers want? They want to do the same thing. So the behavior you guys do on the bike, assume they're going to do that. And what I mean is the normal behavior. We can't assume they're all smart drivers too. But we have to assume that when we switch lanes because it's slow, they would want to do that too. Okay? So pay attention to that. Slow it down a little bit. Maybe give yourself a better space cushion. So go ahead and get over here and then move on. So you have this big space cushion between here so you can do something. You could swerve, you could brake, you can move out of the way. We have a decent escape path to the left. No cars really are coming in right there. Gotta watch out for this stuff. This is the pattern right here. So take a look. We have vehicles on the right. We have people wanting to swerve left. This person is like, well, it's not their fault. It's not their fault. They're just trying to get out of the way, and they definitely stopped. But we're looking to the right. We're looking to the right. We're like, yeah, dumb. And then we look up right here. No hands on the brakes. We're rolling off the throttle for engine braking. So that might help you out a little bit. Just a little bit. But now look at the position we're in. You see how we ended up here? You see how we ended up on the line? So when I say set yourself up for success and position yourself for safety, first and foremost on the plan, you should have you should have adapted to this situation and get next to the line, because that will increase your space cushion. So if anybody does come out, you are already prepped for it. You don't have to swerve. You're already in position. No wasted movements here at the DDFM crew.
Here we have the driver.
Yes, we do.
The double-storied line.
Whoa, okay. Whoa, wheelie.
Dangerous.
He's up on one wheel, dude.
Situation to you.
We're gonna go ahead and speed up. We're gonna speed up and say, hey, what's up? Boom, he slams the brakes. You got smashed. So we got a sharp left turn coming up. So we are not prepped and ready. Good thing we have a good line of sight. The person up front knows what's happening with that truck behind him. Now we got a whole gaggle of motorcycle riders messing with a truck. Not very smart. Okay, not very smart on either part. So the truck driver can get easily, his ass beat by a bunch of motorcycle riders, and then the motorcycle rider can easily die from the situation. Right, middle finger. Pretty interesting what we're doing here. Remember, that guy can slam the brakes, and those two right there, boom, get hit unless they're in a good position for safety, and they can actually locate the hazard in the amount of time that they have, which is not very good because the space cushion's not good. And then they're gonna crash. This guy's all over the place. So remember, sit back, watch it. Sit back and watch it. Now the guy in front should not argue this. It's up to him if he wants, but just realize pretty easy to hide something in the truck and go blat blat with your gat. Let's see what happens here. Whoa, big gaggle of friends. Okay. Yeah, let's get out of the road. Ensure your own safety, right? You gotta ensure your own safety. Right there. What's your right hand? What's in your right hand, buddy? What's in your right hand? Your truck's a little dirty. A little bit of bird poop. And it's mud. They're having a good time. Got dried up. Now it's gonna ruin your paint. Yeah. Isn't it weird? Yeah. Hopefully you wash your trucks after you do something like this, because it does destroy your paint. I don't know if you guys know that. If you let it dry and you think it looks cool that way, just keep it on there, because it's gonna destroy your paint.